Came down, I think it's Depot Street down here. That was an old mill right to my right on the road. There's an old stone bridge here, but I thought the water and the trees and the shadows on these trees was interesting. Maybe come back and do a painting of the trees. So I took a photo, and this is my start of main tree, couple trees behind it, and maybe with all the yellow on the bottom. So if I made this long and narrow as a plan, so there's light on the top of that tree. All these leaves are yellow, so I have to put a note that all leaves in here I have to make it yellow, and the yellow down here is my note. Shadow here. There's a dark tree right behind it with lots of branches. This is a little bit in shadow. More trees. There's water back here that sparkles. Like a note of water behind the trees. This tree was what interested me, but now I have to build up information around it with all the other trees. And then I have to decide how far I'm going to go this direction. So I think it would be cropped there. And then I put more trees here, here, and then show the blue coming in. I think that might be enough information for here. So I'd like to stop at one more place and then we'll be done.